What are you doing?
It's my puppy! I can do whatever I want with it. Now get out of here! Stop! What are you doing? Give my puppy back!
It's okay, buddy. I've got you. Stay with me, little one. Hang on. We're going. Almost there. We're here. You're gonna be fine.
The laundry room. The bottle tipped over on her. It's in her fur and around her eyes. I rinsed her, but she kept crying.
The laundry detergent has affected the puppy's skin and eyes.
He's breathing better now. The fluids are helping.
What did you do to my dog?
Ma'am, you need to calm down. Officer, she put the puppy in a washing machine. This is animal cruelty. Understood, ma'am. You're under arrest.
What? He was dirty!
You can't hands behind.